Hi, this is your favorite friend Isabella here. I'll say good morning to you. Alright, so today we are gonna do some breakfast. Did you know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Well, start your days with this fancy and delicious sandwich. And for step number 1, toast your bread. Well, I'll recommend you to use butter. It'll taste so much better. Did I mention that I love bacon? Well, let's get some bacon. Well, although I got a bonus tip for you. Put the bacon in the oven and it will cook better and it'll be more crispy and delicious. Put in the comments below if you tried bacon in the oven. I'll try it in the next video.
We're having some good breakfast today.
Something I really like to do is using the kitchen scissors. Well, I'm not good at it yet, but I'm getting better.
What else do we need to make? Oh yes, scrambled eggs.
Let's fry these eggs. I'll call this part the fancy ingredient because fried eggs are so delicious. And basically, they're kind of difficult to do for me. Put everything in your bread: cheese, bacon, and egg. Don't forget to pop the yolk inside the bread. It is going to taste so yummy. I like to eat my breakfast like this. Well, I have my carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats in my table. Thanks for watching, everyone, and enjoy your food. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and put the notifications on. Bye, everyone. Mwah! Mama sile.